For 2.5 million years, the Earth's climate has fluctuated, cycling from ice ages to warmer periods. But in the last century, the planet's temperature has risen unusually fast, about 1.2 to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe it's human activity that's driving the temperatures up, a process known as global warming. Ever since the Industrial Revolution began, factories, power plants, and eventually cars have burned fossil fuels such as oil and coal, releasing huge amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere.
"70 countries in the world no longer have any intact or original forests. And here in the United States, 95% of our old-growth forests are already gone."
In many cases, the forest will not grow back.
Naturally occurring gases in the atmosphere trap some of this energy and reflect it back, warming the Earth. According to NASA studies, the extent of Arctic sea ice has declined about 10% in the last 30 years.
I don't think there's any question that this is one of the hottest records for many people, for millions and millions of people.
Severe droughts could become more common in warm areas, and species unable to adapt to the changing conditions would face extinction.
Lots of species may be about to leave the planet.
And they were saying that the symptoms are very similar to a regular flu. So my question is, at what point should I go to the doctor?
Correct. We're hearing reports today about a medical mystery some scientists are calling the new AIDS of the Americas. The name of the illness is Chagas disease. You can treat it, but you cannot cure it. It can be fatal, and researchers say it's spreading now at an alarming rate.
This is caused by greenhouse gases keeping heat on the shore, on the land, in the atmosphere that could have escaped without those greenhouse gases. So yes, it's warmer.
This is really not a political issue so much as a moral issue. Temperature increases are taking place all over the world, and that's causing stronger storms.
The Country Music Hall of Fame in similar shape. The football stadium inundated up to the first row of seats.
The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Duval County.
Workers in Center City, Philadelphia came streaming out of their high-rise offices to the streets below after feeling the earth move. Yes, Virginia, that was an earthquake.
Boy, this is not good.
This is the biggest crisis in the history of this country.
Although much remains to be learned about global warming, many organizations advocate cutting greenhouse gas emissions to reduce the impact of global warming. Consumers can help by saving energy around the house, switching to compact fluorescent light bulbs, and driving fewer miles in the car each week. These simple changes may help keep the Earth cooler in the future.
Our ability to live is what is at stake.